one of the most fun things you can do in Calgary. Drift the boat. This is a way better way to do it, it looks like to me, than the manual pump, if it works. Had to go manual. Need some vodka? Safety first. Actually, it's the law. You have to wear a life jacket. Probably a very good law. What you might find surprising is how much you actually have to pay attention. The river will take you along, but there's a lot of stuff you gotta look out for. Like, I'm going backwards. Bad idea. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite things to do. Too bad the weather's not great. Probably the worst day we picked in the next 2 weeks. We're at a part of the river where it's really wide and slow. And there's not much to worry about. A lot of cool places to hike in Calgary as well. And someone's spent a lot of time putting those logs all up there to use as steps. So typical. There's just this little flock of swallows where it's just, you can maybe see them off in the distance. They were just swarming all around me and the boat. It was so cool. They just sort of skim across the water and try to eat the little bugs. Nice to have a little house down here. Fire pit going in the backyard and river flowing by. Oh, well, I guess we're going this way. I'm in an eddy created by that island behind me. All right. And the water's so cold. You would not want to fall in here. It looks fun though. What is that gazebo? More lilacs. This is the only places on the river you really got to pay attention, because if you get pinned by that water pressure on the bridge, you're in big trouble.
why here.
Yeah, why this spot is, yeah.
They're quiet.
Yeah, they are.
Quiet. It's not flapping. And they don't make a lot of noise. They're not there.
Yeah.
You cannot. Hey, buddy.
Uh-oh. Just went through kind of a little bit of an intense part. That's what it's like. You know, it's like super mellow, and you're just drifting along, and then all of a sudden, whoa, I gotta pay attention. So you don't want to hit these islands or all those rocks and shrubs. What kind of birds are those? We've drifted apart.
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. If you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins. 'Cause it's a beautiful day.
That was actually very intense. I think if I wasn't paying attention, I could have tipped the boat. It was pretty white watery, but I think from here on it's pretty mild. The river is quite high and it's running very fast. That was fun, but I couldn't film it. No way. Should have brought the GoPro. What was I thinking?